Hello everyone, morning, and welcome to another episode with TraderSmith on weekly expiry. So it is already 8:47, so we'll start it. So before I start the session, this is the disclaimer from our side. The content in this presentation podcast should not be considered as a recommendation to buy or sell security. All information is intended for educational purpose only and in no way should be considered investment advice. So here are the news. US market ends in lower in volatile session following FOMC minutes release. Retail inflation CPI rises to 7.41% in September on costlier food items. Industrials and manufacturing output declines. OPEC cuts to 2022 and 23 oil demand growth view as economy slows. IMF reduces India's financial year 2022 to 23 growth forecast to 6.8%. INR at all-time low against USD. CMP INR is actually 32.31. US CPI inflation due today. News again. This is related to the earnings. HCL Tech quarter to net profit rises 7% to 3,489 crores. Firm raises revenue guidance. Wipro quarter two result profit drops 9% to rupees 2,659 crores. Revenue climbs 15%. Quarter two earnings today is it includes Infosys, Mindtree, Cyient, Angel One, etc. So we'll see how world markets has traded yesterday. So US market first, and we'll see Nasdaq, which has closed on negative note by 0.29%. Dow has closed on negative note at 0.01%, and S&P has also closed in negative with 0.033%. European market DAX has closed on negative note with 0.39%. FTSE 100 has closed 0.86% negative. CSE 40 has closed 0.25% negative. However, SGX Nifty is actually trading at 0.39% on positive. Asia Kospi has closed at 1.14% negative. Nikkei has closed 0.47% negative. Shanghai Composite has closed 0.44% negative. Hang Seng has closed 1.26% negative. So these are the derivatives data. So Nifty 50 PCR is at 0.79. Maximum call open interest is open at 17,500, which amounts to 2.13 lakh, followed by 17,400, which amounts to 1.43 lakhs. So maximum put open interest is 17,001.76 lakhs, and followed by 16,800, which amounts to 1.06 lakh. Nifty Bank PCR stand at 1%, and maximum call open interest is placed at 40,000, which amounts to 1.21 lakh, followed by 39,500, which amounts to 1.19 lakh. Maximum put open interest is placed at 37,500, followed by which amounts to 1.04 lakh, followed by 38,500, which amounts to 1.02 lakh. So this is about the derivative data. So now I will be talking about chart of Nifty and Nifty Bank. So we are recently also in the Bazaar Pe Charcha we have discussed about this sector in detail, and this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and you can see that the index has started falling from 7th of October. 7th of October, and consecutively past 3 days from 7th October to 10th, and then again on 11th, I guess. Yeah, it has formed 3 bearish candle, and it is hovering near its 200 DMA. So we can say that the support is placed near its 200 DMA, and once the support is breached, then we can expect support at its 100 DMA. Actually, it has happened here when the index has fallen and it got support at its 100 DMA on 30th of September, and from there it has actually tried to show the resilience, but again it got resistance here. So resistant and support, it is very near in the range of 400 to 500, I can say. So once this support is breached, or once this resistance is surpassed, then we can expect the index to go in that direction. The situation of the index is like that, because the resistance is placed at 17,350 or 360, followed by 17,500. So once this support is once this resistance is surpassed, then we can expect upside movement. And as I have already talked about the support level, which is placed at 200 followed by 100 DMA. So once 100 DMA is actually 16,800, 200 DMA is 16,987. So 150 point or 250 point difference is there in the support range. So once the support is also breached, then it is very risky, and we can accelerate. The index can accelerate in the negative direction in that manner. So this is about Nifty 50. Now I would be talking about Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank is also behaved in the same fashion if you look at it. And obviously after hitting a recent high, which was placed at 41,840, the index has actually acted in a volatile manner, and we have seen that sharp fall from that level. But again, it has shown some resilience for 4 to 5 days, we can say. And then again, in the last 4 days, 3 days has been very volatile. The index has actually closed on negative note consecutively. 3 bearish candle formation it has already done. And then yesterday's session was, we can say that index has tried to bounce back from the lower level, but again the resistance is actually placed at 39,597, or we can say that 39,600. So before taking the fresh call, if the resistance is surpassed, then we can expect it. Otherwise, we may expect that it will try to retest its resistance that is placed at 21 DMA, which is just 1.21% away, and again it can fall. So I think better to wait for resistance to surpass, then we can take a fresh call. Otherwise, we can wait for it. So if you look at these 3 to 4 trading session, the past trading session, the immediate resistance, the immediate support is placed at here. It is around 38,500. I am talking about in a very short term perspective, maybe 1 or 2 days type. So that is the immediate support here. So once the support is breached, then obviously we can expect the index to fall down further from here. So yeah, so this is all about our analysis, and thank you so much for your patient hearing. We'll meet again in the next week at the same time. Thank you so much.